Schumacher 488 edition, what it really is, and if it's a great investment. This is just not a regular 488. This one is a 70th anniversary, tailor-made to a F1 Schumacher Edition. Welcome back to World GT Auto, where we deal with a lot of the higher end vehicles. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about the special edition, the 70th anniversary Ferrari 488, whether it's a good investment to buy, and it's a collector car, so we're going to be talking a little bit about that. Also, we did some work on this vehicle as well. We did the full cleanup, detail, had it safetied, ready for delivery. It is a sold unit. So let's talk a little bit about this. Let's clear it up properly. This 2017 Ferrari 488, it's special tailor-made, a tribute to Michael Schumacher. As you see on the on the bottom, it's a 101 tribute to him. So they had the Ferrari 70th anniversary program where they would tailor-made one per race car driver, and then this one is tribute to Michael Schumacher.
I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you, to get to you.
This is a Schumacher Edition 101. It's a 70th anniversary edition, and as you can see, it's tailored made collection. So these are all heritage program that they had going on with Ferrari. There's no different engine or a different performance package on these. It's just ultra rare historical program that they had. Only 70 were made from 2017, and this one was inspired by the F2003 championship car. This 488 GTB is inspired by the Michael Schumacher, and the car was inspired from the F2003 championship car. And as you see, the stripes that are on here, the red Corsa, factory colored, and as well as the front area, the front bumper, and the accents that are on the side, these are all factory. This is not an aftermarket add-ons. These all came from factory built. And as well as, let me show you the inside, all the red stitching, all the little details in the badging, on the side, the carbon, the mats and everything. As you can see, the 70th anniversary, the 70th edition on this one. It's all factory. It's nothing aftermarket. So this is what you would get if you were to purchase one. And what we want to know if it's a good investment. It is a collector car. It is ultra rare. So, I mean, these things, when they first were releasing at 350 to 400,000, now they're up anywhere from 500 to 700,000 and up. So it is a good investment if you were to purchase one before, and it is an ultra rare collectible car. Under the hood, you still get the performance, still a beast. Still got the 3.9 V8 twin turbo, 660 horsepower. It's a fast car. You get the performance, and as well as you get the collectible piece. If you want the real insights on these investment pieces, the game behind it, subscribe at World GT Auto. Invest smart and drive legends. Here at World GT Auto, we do have other vehicles that are in for repairs. As you can see, we have another 488 here that's getting some mechanical work done, as well as some body panels getting fixed up. We got a G-Wagon here getting the maintenance completed on it, and as well as a McLaren that's in for some detail and exterior work. Here at World GT Auto, if you're looking for insights on these higher end vehicles, you want to know how to get in behind the games behind it, how to invest on some of these legendary cars, subscribe at World GT Auto. invest smart, drive flagless.